Good day, everyone. My name is Monica Annim, and I stand here representing a team of young innovators from Koforidua Technical University. Before we dive in, I want to say a sincere thank you to the team at Turning Green, our mentors and ambassadors, our faculty advisors, and our volunteers. Here is the presentation outline from the problem straight to the conclusion. Let me start with a simple question. What if the ways we ignore every day could create jobs, build industries, and change lives? Because in Ghana today, something as common as coconut husk waste is not just an environmental problem, it is a misplaced opportunity. Let us look at the reality. Ghana generates over 30,000 tons of coconut waste annually. 91% of that ends up in open dams, rivers, roads and gutters, or clogging our drains. But the real crisis is the smoke. Nearly 3,000 tons are burned every year, releasing pollution limits higher than the WHO safe limits. We are literally breathing in our waste. This is the crisis we are turning into an opportunity. This problem creates environmental pollution, poor waste management systems, and lost value. At the same time, Ghana depends heavily on imported footwear materials, and thousands of young people remain unemployed or underskilled. Sadly, the problem is not just waste. The problem is a broken system where waste, unemployment, and dependency exist side by side. This is the harsh reality we are facing here in Ghana, and that is exactly where Step Green Initiative comes in. We have engineered a way to divert coconut waste and transform it into high-quality, durable footwear components, replacing expensive imported materials with a sustainable, locally sourced circular solution. But beyond production, we are creating employment opportunities and building a sustainable local economy powered by innovation and skills. We don't see waste, we see the future of manufacturing, jobs, and sustainable growth. Our goals are simple but powerful. First, to reduce coconut waste by creating a structured system for collection and reuse. Second, to build a sustainable local economy by replacing imported materials with local produce alternatives. Third, to create employment opportunities by equipping youth and artisans with practical income generating skills. And finally, to develop a scalable model. To be able to achieve this dream, we didn't stand alone. These are the people who supported us throughout our journey. To bring Step Green Initiative to life, we focused on a practical step-by-step approach grounded in real engagement, testing, and continuous learning. We started with market research and community engagement. We engaged directly with coconut farmers, wholesalers, retailers, and sellers to deeply understand the challenge and supply chain. We moved a step further to establish our coconut waste collection center in Koforidua. This became our main point for sourcing raw materials directly from coconut sellers. We also conducted field visits to coconut farms and rubber farms, exploring both the hacks for production and latest for material integration. Next was prototyping and refinement. We developed our first set of footbed prototypes and went through a series of testing and improvements to achieve a durable comfort and quality. We then carried out a second round of our engagement with local shoemakers, gathering feedbacks on our footbeds and conducting user testing to validate performance and usability. To expand our reach, we carried out media engagement and community outreach using platforms like KT Radio, Joy Prime to raise awareness and drive participation. We also participated in exhibitions and events showcasing our products, building awareness, and engaging potential users and partners. In addition, we took part in pitching opportunities, strengthening our model and visibility. On the skill side, we organized hands-on artisan workshops where participants learned how to produce sandals and slippers using the footwears. This was complemented by our youth training programs, both in person and online. A major highlight was our 5-week Green Lab training, where we equipped young people with skills in entrepreneurship, problem solving, business development, and sales and pitching. Participants were not just learning, they were actively developing and refining their own business ideas. Overall, through these combined efforts, we built a model that integrates innovation, skills development, community engagement, and real-world application. This is not just an idea, it is already in motion. We have trained over 150 artisans through hands-on footwear production training. We've developed 500 footwears from coconut waste and improved on through testing and feedback utilization. We've produced 150 standardized footwears and complete footwear. We've sold hundreds of footwears through exhibitions and campus events. We've donated 50 footwear to school children and conducted 5 trainings on leadership and entrepreneurship. We have trained over 500 youth through our online entrepreneurship and leadership skills. We have onboarded 71 prospectors, retail and wholesale customers, and 83 shoemakers. We have formed agreements with 25 coconut and rubber farmers and 54 coconut sellers. We have been able to establish our waste collection center in Koforidua. As at now, we have been able to recycle 900 kg of coconut husk and been able to connect some industries to the waste. We showcase our products at trade fairs and exhibitions. We began tracking production for pricing and also scaling. Like any growing initiative, we have faced a few challenges: limited access to advanced processing equipment, access to funding, and also scaling collection of coconuts as well maintaining quality and durable food base. Going forward, we hope to achieve all of these from our current quarter, that is quarter 2 of 2026 to quarter 1 of 2027. Throughout all these months, PGC has helped me build my community engagement and leadership skills, project development skills. It has helped me better my communication skills, better my management skills, and also help me seeing the bigger vision. Step Green Initiative is a proof that solutions don't always come from outside. Sometimes they are right in front of us, in the things we throw away and in the people we overlook. We are not just solving a problem, we are building a future where waste creates value and young people create opportunities. Thank you.